Get some transfer going. Get the heat going, get it fed in there. Hi guys, I just wanted to try my Workzone soldering iron out, and I saw a really interesting solder a while ago. Just get rid of this rubbish. Make some space. I've spent about half an hour trying to rig up this camera to a half decent position. Let's get this kind of straight out of the way. Oh. So I can get a right good close up and get it in focus, you know. Yeah, that'll be alright. So let's say you've got this wire, yeah, and you want to join into it. I'll zoom out a little bit for now. You want to join into it, yeah. So let's say the wire's there, and that's your wiring loom. I'll cut a bit off the end of this, and you want to join it, splice into this. There's probably lots of ways of doing it. If I just unclip this bit, what you got to do is try and bear back a bit of this wire. Get the gauge. I'll just take it off there. You just bear back a tiny wee bit, as much as you can. You want to give yourself as much as you can. You can tape it up with insulating tape anyway. Try not to snap the wire. Okay, so we bared back a little bit. Okay, and we want to graft in another wire coming off this. Say this is a switched live, for instance, and we're putting a switched accessory on. We want it to be running only when the ignition is on. Okay, which is a project I've got coming up. So you need quite a lot of this. Get the right gauge. Is that the right gauge? I'm not sure. It might be. You need quite a lot. It's surprising how much I'm taking off. You need quite a lot. Get a little bit of a wiggle. Maybe I'm in the wrong. Maybe. Yeah, I'm in the wrong gauge. Go next one. Bit of a wiggle. Pull. That's it. There, I've got plenty of wire there. Not really enough there. I'd like to have more. I don't want to snap the wire. In a real situation, you maybe wouldn't have so much, but I'll try and get a little bit more. I dare say there's ways you could get more. Take that out of there. Try and pull this back a bit. It's starting to fray it, you see. It's not what you want to do. You want to keep the integrity of the wire. I've had this Workzone iron on for quite a while. Like I say, I've been trying to figure out. Got a feeling I'm going to burn that, but it wouldn't really matter. You just tape it up. But what we do here, see if I can get close up, see if I can get it to focus. Is that focusing? Come on, baby, focus. I couldn't get it to focus, so what I did was I'm going to fast forward this bit and cut to where it did focus. So you go under one way. I'll give myself a bit more space. Under one way. Over the top again. Then go the other side, and whatever's left gets wrapped up on the other side. And this would be a really strong. You could probably just tape this up, and that would be a good connection. Yeah. But we're going to solder it just to thought this was a great way of splicing into something. Okay, that's it there, so I can zoom in on that and get it to focus. There we go, it's in focus now. So the iron is red hot, so look at the tip. Oh yeah, it's hot. I'll just tin the tip. That's hot. Okay. Get it, have to come this side. Touch the wire, the plastic. Get some tin in between the two, get some transfer going. Get the heat going, get it fed in there. Should do it. I'll give that tip a wee clean. I'm really impressed with the Workzone iron, you know, for, I think it was, I don't know, I can't exactly remember how much it was, £15, if that, from the Aldi, and you get 3 tips with it. See if we can get zoomed in on that. I didn't go anywhere, and I didn't melt the sleeve in too much. Try a simpler connection. There's another one I saw. Just cut this wire and thingy a bit back. Strip it back. You don't twist this after you've cut it back. Leave it the way it is, and then strip the other one side. Same with that, and then you just put the two ends just together. Yeah, you just push them together. Okay, and then twist them round. One way and one the other way. Yeah. And put it in the helping hands. Let's even get it in focus this time. I just want a really sharp solder. That's what I'm after. I'll get there. I reckon you need natural light. There we go. Let's get this iron. Okay. Just tin iron. Okay. Get some solder in between the two. Feed in. It's not bad, is it? I'll give that tip a wee clean off. Not bad at all. Just for practice, strip it back and then twist it. Just twist to give it a twist. And then actually what I'll do, I've got a bit of wire down there, pop that in the helping hands and do the same with this one, strip it off. It's going to be long enough. I've got a bit connected to the end of that. I'll take that off, try and make it the same length. And then twist that round again. these just get twisted up, don't they? So put it in the helping hands. And basically just twist them together. I'm after the perfect close-up, can you tell? Maybe I need a better camera. A better cameraman. Why already get the camera quite close? You see how close I can get it. Well, maybe if I put the iron, yeah, it'll help it get in focus. I've got to tin this anyway. I tin both sides, I don't know why. Let's see. Oh, that's stuff coming off that. Come on, focus, baby. Keep that away from my hand. That would be good. Yeah, she's in focus now. Let's hope she stays that way. Get the thermal thingy, thermal transfer going. Give it a bit of a flick, that's it. Give this tip a clean. That's not bad, is it? Consider I'm doing it while filming, I'm doing it in non-daylight. Pitch black, really. That's not a bad solder, I like that solder, let it cool down a bit. I think that stayed in focus this time, didn't it? Right, I'm off to have a look at these videos and get them edited. If they're any good, I'll upload them.